Steel frame homes are buildings of the future. What we can do is to build a house in literally 4 days. The material in the house is more to do with energy conservation. We're talking about photovoltaics. We're talking about the use of particular glass in the windows as well. The idea is to reduce your heating costs and your home costs. Gadgets, I think, are very important to the new home. I think we're becoming a nation of people that rely on gadgets, whether it's televisions, whether it's gymnasiums within the house. Gadgets are changing every single day and are changing our lifestyles as well.
It's about making the most of a small amount of space, making it more accessible, and also the beauty of this stuff with the Solidus Arc is that if you move house, you can take it with you. You can't take your roof or your solar panels from your roof with you.
I don't want product to be given a premium price tag because it's eco. That's wrong, that's bad business. That does the consumer no good whatsoever. Actually, I want to be able to feel that people can buy the colour they want, the paint they want, the sofa they want, the rug they want, and do that knowing that it's not going to harm the environment.